for Gladys. I rented this car for 1,300 pesos. I actually rented this for a few days, and they will just pick up the car there in the port for Siquijor. So yeah, waiting for Gladys to come out, and then we're gonna go Siquijor. She's here. Good morning. The sun is up. Yeah, ibutang mo sa likod. She's here, guys. And hi, we are at the port going to Siquijor.
Hi everyone, how are you guys doing?
So it's just us, the two of us. Maya and Shay didn't make it, but
There's always next time.
yes, there's always next time. So what is your expectations or intention for this trip plan?
Maybe some intention would be, as always, just going deeper in myself and deeper when it comes to relationship and connection with you. I think this is a very intimate moment where we have our time together.
Yeah,
and
just the two of us.
Siquijor is such a magical place, so I'm looking forward for what magic awaits us.
Yay! And also we will have the past life regression. So supposed to be for all the girls, but Gladys is the only one meant for that for as of now. So yeah, I'm excited to guide you on that one in the magical island of Siquijor. And of course, we're gonna show also the magical island, like how magical it is and all of the things that we're going to tour around. So yay! I see you guys for more. We are going. Papa kay uy. We are here. We are inside the business class of Ocean Jet. So, Siquijor bound. We arrived, Siquijor. Look at that water. Color. We survived the waves. Stand baby. Coffee time. No, matcha time. Coffee for her, matcha for me. Matcha. Stopping for matcha and coffee for now, and then we're gonna start rolling to I don't know where we're going. So we will see
land tour here in Siquijor.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna bring you with us.
Yes, we try to negotiate for rental of car, and it's kind of expensive. The car rent is like 2,000 plus, and there was a minivan that is like 1.5. But I think we both are just want to be feminine today and just find a driver to drive us around the island. So we will see what we're gonna get: tricycle or the minivan, or we will see. But enjoy this first. That's our kuya. He will take care of us. Yay! She's ready. Very gentleman. All right. Salamat. Thank you. Sana. Sana siya. Si Urgent. Ako pa na ninyo nakuha?
Wala na mo sa tuwari tuban. Kaya mag-pick daw mi.
Mag-picnic mo. Sige, enjoy. Lubog po. Tubod na lang mi. Salamat. Yay!
Dito na siya, baby. Talakad na.
We're going to Good Marine Sanctuary. So yeah, we're walking and we have our kuya. What's your name?
My name is Jerome.
He's Kuya Jerome and he's our guide for today. He's bringing my fins. So yeah, excited. Yes. Yeah, it seems like we're going to a jungle, but we're actually going to the beach. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, mag-free dive me.
Free dive niyo?
Na may pinapabangan din ma'am, 100.
Ano yung fins?
Fins is 50. Tapos need o guide? Dili ra.
Kung mag-guide, pila ang na-guide?
300 kamo nang dalawa.
Kami, sige, mag-guide lang, Mike, para na mo video na to.
Oo.
So we just have to eat like this. Pay as you enter. Yes, kana ka. Ah, kana. Nice. Ah, sige, sige. Kana, nindot.
Wala kang mga pito. Ayun, pumasok na sila sa pitugo ngayon. Ayun, nakaharap. Oo, kaway kayo. Yun. Ayan na. Gusto nilang maligo ngayon kasi mataas daw. Pwede mo maligo, anak. Ay, si Uncle, oh, galakaw. Ayun, si ate at si kuy, si ate at si
Ate. Sige, ano
Yun.
dito kaya? Ana, o, saan ka? Sige din ba, naog may dire.
Naog mo.
Okay. Gladys is about to jump. Glad na dito ang kuan. Ang hagdan dito, the ladder is there. So, this is how high it is.
Ano, ikaw ba muna? Para video kita.
Alright, go Gladys!
Sige.
Go ate.
Hindi, madali lang yan. Sige.
Huwag ka na mag-isip, Ted. Ano ka na?
Huwag ka na mag-isip sa ano.
Ikaw ate.
Dito.
Boys first.
Jump. Paunahan natin yung mga Amerikano.
Kadali sa to.
Okay, sila po. Woo! Oh, wow. Along the... Go, go, go! Woo! Go, Gladys. Oh, okay, you... You'll go first. Wow! Richa! Woo! She made it!
Sige, talon lang.
After Pitogo Cliff, we gonna eat lunch. Say hello, Bingo. He's a she. She's a house dog here in Gabayan Rivera. So Bingo and Brownie. Oh, I don't know if I was able to, but yeah. Are you ready, Glad? We're gonna do some meditation here by the dock. It's beautiful here with the sound of the waves. Bingo, you're gonna join.